Awesome. So, welcome. My name's Stuart Murray. I'm the founder of Botsii, and today I'm going to take you through what I believe to be the smartest, fastest, and most automated way to build a network marketing business. And this is using both AI and duplicatable systems to make it easy to build and grow. And whether you're brand new or you've got years of experience, this system is built to help you succeed. I'm going to walk you through the Botsii duplication engine and show you how you can get started for just $7 and build an organization 5 levels deep with a product that's only $7. Let's just first though talk about what's the big problem, because this is like the cold, hard truth when you look at this industry. Most people never succeed in network marketing. And it's not because you're not good enough, it's because you're trying to do too much manually. Because here's what this really looks like. Most people are passive. They're either overwhelmed, confused, or just don't know what to do next. And they're trying to juggle too many balls. And as a result, they're really just acting as a customer within a company. You're not actively building it. But it's worse than that. It gets even worse because let's say you start with 100 contacts. Okay. So you start with 100 people. How many of those people say yes to joining your business? The number's about 10. That's probably the average number that you're looking at. So if you speak to 100 people, 10 might say yes. And most people fail not because they lack the desire, but because they don't have the tools or the time or the systems or a combination of all of that to help them win. And today I want to change all of that. So let's just come back to this. You speak to 100 contacts, maybe 10 say yes. But let's ask a more important question, because how many of those 10 actually do something with the opportunity? How many of them are active? And that number is obviously going to come down even more. So what does it look like? It drops dramatically. Let's see how much it really drops to. 2, right? That's kind of where we end up to. We end up with 2. So think about it. You contact 100 people and only 2 actually help grow your business. So how much time, money, energy are you leaving on the table? How much are you leaving and missing out on as a result of that? Well, this is where the big opportunity exists. What if there was a way you could reverse that trend and make duplication so simple anyone can follow it, even total beginners? Because what I want to do is I want to take this number and make this number even bigger. I want to reverse this trend effectively. So that number is going to go up and you're going to have a much bigger opportunity here to tap into. Let's look how much. You could literally be offering here something of value to 98 people, i.e., the people that didn't join your business, or the people that did join your business but didn't take any action. So, question is, what is there a way you could benefit all 98 people? And that's the big opportunity. Being able to earn from every single contact you speak to by offering them something of value. So just imagine you've got a system that makes duplication easy, and I'm going to show it to you now. Let me introduce it to you. This is the Botsii duplication engine. It's a simple 6-step system to help you grow a business that duplicates. And I'm going to take you through and show you each of the steps. Here's what it looks like. It's a 6-step system. Each one starts with the letter S. So if you've got a pen and paper handy, write down each of these so you can understand how this works. And it's a flow. It cycles round. So the more that you do it, the bigger the impact that you have. I'm not sure how you've done that, Tony, but yes, you have duplicated yourself. It's very entertaining. So let's take you through it. This isn't, by the way, just for leaders. This is for anybody who's serious about growth, because you could use this to duplicate your efforts across any company in just 6 steps which I'll take you through in a second. And it starts with swipes, with swipe files. So what is a swipe file? Just so you can understand that. A swipe file is a collection of marketing materials that you can use for reference, for inspiration, but also it's something that saves you time and improves the quality of the outputs you put out there to attract people into your network to find qualified leads. And it starts with that. Think of it like your marketing vault. It's a marketing vault that gives you ready-made collection of content that you can share instantly. And we have already a database here we've built, and you'd start by grabbing a swipe file that's tailored to your company, which gives you access to content and information you can use to prospect with instantly. So let's take a look. We have already almost 100 companies in our system today that you can access instantly. And if yours isn't there, we'll add it within 24 hours. So here's just a selection of what we have inside the system. All of these are done for you. All of these are written specifically for each company. So you don't have to think about it. You can just copy and paste. And I'll show you in a second what's inside. So the mission here, my mission, our mission, is to solve the biggest challenge in network marketing, the one that everybody has a problem with. And I want to solve this completely for free, right? I want there to be zero excuses for someone that's part of a network marketing company to be able to generate qualified leads to come into their business. I want there to be zero excuses, because then there's no excuse for people not to be passive and for everybody to be active, to be sharing. Because when everybody shares and everybody brings in 2 or 3 people into their business, and that's sometimes all you need to do, just bring a couple of people into your business, that's how you can build and grow. So you can use this a number of ways. You can use this obviously to help people in your team who are already passive, but you can use it lots of other ways, which I'll show you. Let me take you through who you can help with this. There's actually 4 different types of people that you can help with this product that are in your network. So you've got your existing team. So if you already have a team, you can empower them for free. You can be sharing this content with them, done for you swipe files to help get qualified leads, that's written specifically for your business, and it will help empower your team, wake your team up, and give them tools they can use for free. Obviously, though, you can use it for new team members. So as new people join your business, you can get them going from day one. They can hit the ground running fast because you can tap into the swipe files and they can just copy and paste that content and use that with their warm market, with their low-hanging fruit, and use that to get some momentum going. Prospects, obviously, prospects are key. So if you speak to people, even if they say no, you can add value to their network because you'll be able to share with them swipe files, marketing content for their business. So you're actually helping them grow. And that's how you strengthen your relationship with prospects you speak to. And finally, your friends, existing friends who know, like, and trust you, where you can work and build a stronger relationship with whatever company they're promoting. You're just sharing something that's giving value into your network. So this is swipes. It all starts with here, but then what you do is share it. You share content from the swipes, but also you can share the swipes themselves, which I'll show you in a minute how you can do that. So what we give you is 30 days worth of done for you content across 6 different formats. And this is all written specifically for each individual company. So it's all custom content related to your business. Let's take you through. So you get short form posts. These are, something that you can put on Facebook, X, Instagram, that kind of thing. Really simple, short, simple messages that people can engage with. You get longer form posts, maybe better for LinkedIn, but also Facebook's great. This is more story-based posts where it tells a little bit more of a story. People are wired to like listening to stories. Then you get emails. Emails you can use for warm market, i.e. people already know, like, and trust you, or existing prospects, team members, etc. But also you can use this with cold market as well. So people that maybe have just connected with you, or people who just showed interest in your business. So you get emails, you get scripts for that. Then you get video scripts as well, which you could either shoot yourself or you could use AI tools to generate for you. And all you've got to do is, copy and paste that into a tool and it'll create the video, or just whip out your phone and record it. So you get the scripts too. Finally, you also get image prompts as well. So if you've used ChatGPT, just put a yes in the chat if you use ChatGPT so I can understand who's actively using ChatGPT, or any other AI tool for that matter. Well, this is great for you because all you do is copy and paste the prompt and it will create the image for you. And there's actually one final one. You get direct messages. So these are where you will DM somebody through Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, SMS. And again, warm market, cold market, different scenarios. You get this content all done for you. So this is a whole package of stuff, 30 days worth of content written specifically for your business or for your prospect's business. And I show you some of the quality here. These are direct outputs I'm going to share with you from the prompts. I've not edited them at all. We've just used the system to create these. They all have text on it. So I'm going to show you different examples. So here there's 3 different companies. You've got Botsii here on the right-hand side. All different companies. Save Club on the left. MPG Fix on the right. You probably recognize some of these. The one on the left there is a really innovative company called Amplivo. One on the right, that could relate to a few companies, to be honest. One on the left here is 7K Metals. And if you actually go to 7K Metals website, you'll see they refer to this example with Mustangs. So what we've done is we've taken that content from their website and from their presentations and pulled that together into completely done for you content. And you'll see there's always text on the content, on the images, because that way you can just copy and paste it. You don't even have to type anything. And so really, really cool. The one on the left there, that's LifeWave. You can see the patch. The AI put the patch on the back of the lady's neck, right? That's how cool this stuff is. You don't even have to think about it. So very, very cool stuff. Let's just give you some examples. All you do is copy and paste the prompt. Then let's talk about sharing it. So this shows you what's in. I'm just going to show you quickly inside what's inside one of the swipe files. It's a Google Doc. It's editable, so you can tweak it if you want to. You can make it your own. That way you're putting out even more unique content out there. So you're fully in control of this. This is just showing you the 7K Metal one. And you get access to this instantly. There's over 100 or almost 100 companies right now, and you get access to it instantly, which I'll show you how in a second. Now, of course, you might be thinking something like this is going to be expensive. Sharing content like this, access to a system like this. Well, it's not. You can get access to this whole system, the swipe files, the ability to share the swipe files, even to build a team 5 levels deep through Botsii. You can do that by getting access to this product, the $7 deal, and it unlocks also 3 affiliate campaigns, and you get swipe files, AI tools, and the whole referral system. And that way you can earn even if people don't join your company. You can speak to the 98% to help them become active and also add value to them even if they say no. Let's show you the next step. Step 3. This is how you show this to people. So how do you share this to people, show this to people? What do they do? Let's take you through. So you get a page, a web page that's customized to you. And this is effectively the entry point to a bot which walks people through your content. So people can come into a bot and the bot will then talk to them all through Facebook Messenger. And so I'm going to show you kind of how that works to share, for example, the swipe files. This is in real time. It's not sped up. So you'd share a page like this. They're going to click on a button based upon whatever device they're using. It's going to come into Facebook Messenger and it's going to load up a message. So that's just about to load up. And you can see it saying they're launching the bot. And it's going to confirm. It'll have your name confirmed as the person that's referred them. And they'll be able to come in, hit get started. And at this point, they can access the swipe files plus other products that are there that are there with your affiliate link. And here we're coming in to access the swipe files. I've not sped this up. You're seeing this in real time. And just coming in, hit yes, definitely. And at this point, you're just going to reply with the name of the company. And if it's one of the companies in the system, you get access to it instantly. If it's not in the system, then it's going to tell you that, ask you for the official website address for the company, and where we will then create it within 24 hours. And the bot will message you back when it's ready so you can download it. So that's just searching the database. Now it comes up with a match, and that's going to be now available to download. You can see there that there's a link, there's a button to click on, and there you go. That's the content already available. So you can then save it, edit it, download it. You can even translate it into another language. So if you speak English plus Spanish, you could convert this into Spanish, and now you've got instant done for your content to be tapping into the Spanish market. So this is incredibly powerful stuff. Takes seconds to translate. Show you how you do that when you get the dollar deal, how easy it is. So this is how you can show it to people. You get a bot that you can show it to people. But it's even better than that. And I'll show you, because step 4 helps you sort your prospects. This is like a funnel. So it's going to help sort your prospects. And what it does is people go through your bot. We actually help do that because we send you through email notifications telling you what your prospects are doing. So what bot are they coming into if you've got multiple bots, and then what they're actually doing inside your bot. So if you connect a bunch of people into your bot link, you can see who's serious, who's not. And you get all of this in real time. So I'm just going to show you here. You get all these email notifications through, and you can then search your prospects. You'll be able to see if they came into your bot 10 times over 10 months, or 10 times over 10 days, or 10 times today. You'll see exactly who's most interested. So all of that is really, really powerful because it gives you insights as to who to follow up with. So that's sorting. That's helping you sort your prospects and understand who to spend time. You're not going to be wasting time with tire kickers and stuff like that. You'll know exactly who's going to add most value to your network and who you can help most. And this is where it gets into signing up. This is step 5, right? Signing up into your business. And that can all be done through the bot as well. Even with the dollar deal, that's just $7, right? The price of a cup of coffee. You'll have 3 affiliate links in there relating to Botsii, and it builds a team 5 levels deep for you within Botsii. Obviously, there's ways in which you can add your own company too, which I'll show you in a minute, but everything leads to them signing up. So I'm just going to show you an example of how that happens. So when someone comes into the main menu, for example, of the bot, they can navigate through all these different options, depending upon what bot you're in. They have a menu exactly like this, and they can click on any of those buttons and it will then drop down into it. But you can see the join now button stays throughout. So everything always leads towards joining your business or joining your team, depending upon what bot you're working with. And obviously, having people join your team completely on autopilot is very, very cool, because you're always going to be in a position where you're asleep, someone else on the other part of the world is awake, and they can come in, access this content, this information, all tied to you, and join your business. It's very, very cool. So this is all fully integrated, completely hands off, and once it's all set up, it's done. And you can get this all activated in 5, 10, 15 minutes. It's really, really quick. So now we get to the final step, step 6, and that is scale. So we want to make it easy for you to scale. So we give you pages that you can share, affiliate pages that you can share with your prospects, with your network. So this one here is coming into the $7 deal. And so you could share that affiliate link directly. They can also access, though, this affiliate link inside your bot. So when someone comes in and gets a swipe file from you, the bot will actually ask them whether they want to upscale what they're doing and buy the $7 deal, and then be in a position to do exactly what you're doing, which is sharing this content, swipe file content, with their team, with their prospects. We don't stop there. We also give you a sales page that allows people to buy our main kind of flagship product, our Botsii bot. On this, we pay out 10% commission 5 levels deep. So you can be earning through this residual income. You get this too as part of the $7 deal. And this is all about creating a career pathway. So I want to show you how you can turn all this into a career pathway inside Botsii. And it starts with sharing swipe files. This is what your journey looks like. So I'm going to walk you through some of this so you can see how you can benefit from this. I'm not going to go through all of this on this call, but I'll show you how you get started. So when you have the dollar deal, you can share swipe files with your team, with your network. But anybody can access that. Anybody can get those swipe files completely for free. From there, as an affiliate, you pay your $7 and unlocks the whole of the content engine and the affiliate campaigns, everything. And we pay a 50% commission on that $7, but then unlocks the career pathway to the right, which means you can benefit when you refer Botsii users, promoters, marketers, even ambassadors and builders. You can benefit from simply by being an affiliate and paying that $7 and getting access to it. And obviously, all of those tools you can be using to grow your own business, your own team. This is just a huge spin-off benefit here that we're creating. So that's the easy way to get started. Option A, option one, should I say, become an affiliate, getting started for $7. You get the $7 deal. I mean, it's literally a price for a Starbucks, isn't it? So the benefit there is you can use the $7 deal to activate your team. You're giving them tools they can actually use, and they can access those tools from you for free, right? It's only if they want to share it with their team would they then want to pay the $7. Or if they want to share it with their prospects, would they pay the $7? And this is where you can use this to add value to your contacts, because whenever you're sharing this bot, they can access these swipes. You're adding value, whether it's your team or your wider contacts. Next up, if you're ready to take it further, you can look at this step in your journey. This is our flagship product. It's to become a bot user. This is where you will get a bot that's customized to your company. And I'll go through this in a minute. Normal price on that is $247 a year, but you can get $100 off. And this, like I said, this pays 10% per level, 5 levels deep. So we're paying out 50% overall, just the regular users there. So that's option two on how you can get started. You activate a Botsii bot set up for the marketplace. The reality is it's easy to be active. We're making it where it's free to be active. But when you get a bot that allows you to follow up, it's really there for those people who want to become a consistent action taker and build. So this is what it does. It helps your team turn into builders. And it unlocks full automation here because the swipe files help find people, qualified leads, people are interested to find out more about your business. What this bot does is it helps you when you activate a done for you bot for your company. It helps you because you now have a branded built bot that's tailored to your company. And we have a whole marketplace. Let's just show you. We have about 45 companies and growing, almost 50 companies in the marketplace. These are all done for you chatbots, all set up for particular companies. You wouldn't buy it from the marketplace because you'll find the price is actually more than double. If you buy it through an affiliate link, you can get it for less than half what the prices are in the marketplace here. But we have this whole marketplace and it's growing every single day. You'll even get an affiliate link where you can benefit for introducing other people into the marketplace. Through the $7 deal, you get an affiliate link to introduce people into the marketplace. I'll show you in a second. But benefit number three here is you can use the Botsii bot to automate your follow-up. That's the benefit. You find people interested to know more, and then you can share this Botsii bot with them, and it will present your business. What this does is it frees up your time so you can connect with more prospects. You can have more conversations with people who are interested to join your team. So you can spend more time developing relationships and speaking to those people that matter the most. So here, for example, Aaron said, I've had 19 people interact with my chatbot in the last 2 days. Well, if you imagine he needed to have an hour-long call with those people, that's 19 hours. That would be like, that's it. Those 2 days are done if he's speaking to those people directly. But when they're interacting with his chatbot, think how much time he can save doing that. And as Corey said here, yep, this is a must. Free up some time so you can do what you want and when you want. So you can get the Botsii bot and save $100. We give you a fast action bonus where you can get $100 by taking action over the next 48 hours. And what we do is we give you a coupon code. So if you want to take a note of this coupon code, you can use this. You can get the link from whoever referred you into Botsii and use this coupon code. It will give you $100 off at the checkout. So that coupon code is A and then 06. So it's a 06726, A06726. And fair warning, this coupon code expires in 48 hours. So if you want to get the best deal and grandfather in at the lower price of 147, then that's the coupon to use. It doesn't end there though on the career pathway, because I can now step into what you can also have, which is the promoter level. And what this is, it gives you the ability to activate up to unlimited bots in the marketplace. This is great to be able to demo the system and share this with each of the prospects that you're talking to so they can see the value of this. So this is option 3 in terms of how you can get started activating unlimited companies in the marketplace. So if you're promoting multiple companies, then it's also a great product to get, because you don't have to have one bot for one company. You can have 5 bots for 5 companies. You're prospecting in exactly the same way. You're going to connect with your prospects exactly the same way. All you're going to do is share a different bot link with them that's going to present a different company. And everything else I've shared with you, including how it sorts and filters your prospects with email notifications, and how each bot has your own sign up link, all of that is customized into each of the bots you get. So if you're looking to build, you can activate them all. And this is really powerful because you can demo here any company instantly with this. And so we have an infinity deal. And so if you're getting one bot for 147, you can upgrade to the infinity deal for an extra $250. And this gives you the ability to unlock every single company in the marketplace. That you might think, well, why would I want to activate 45 companies? And a year's time, it'd be more like 145 companies. Well, it just means if you're speaking to somebody and they are promoting a company in the marketplace, you can activate that bot in 5 minutes. So you can show them how easy it is for them to get started. And you can even share that bot with them so they can come and see how Botsii presents their business. We carefully curate the best information to go into each of these bots so that it's presenting information that they may not even know exists. And so when you demo it to somebody and it's their business, it's the best way for them to understand the value that you're delivering. So this is just an easier way for you to share bots with other people. So when you buy the single license, you have the opportunity to upgrade to this. All you would do is hit the red button after you buy the single license, 147 when you use the coupon, and you hit this red button here. We'll just add that to the order and automatically charge your card. You can hit the yellow text down there and say no thanks as well. That's absolutely fine. At the end of the day, we want to give you the opportunity to get access to the best tools. This price will go up though, because as more companies come into the marketplace, the price of this will go up. So the minute I would say over 80% of people upgrade to this deal to lock it in. I can see a scenario where in the next 12 months, 24 months, we'll have 200 or 300 companies in the marketplace. We're getting companies added into the marketplace every single week practically. So this is benefit number 5. You can use Botsii to promote multiple companies. It's with one tool. And benefit 6, you can demo bots to any prospect, no matter what company they're promoting. Now let's look at a few little bonuses you might not have realized existed. So this kind of ties back to the Botsii career pathway, and this is marketer level. So this is where somebody can come along and want to add a new company into the marketplace, into the Botsii marketplace, or create a bot for their own team. You can do that as well. And we've got 2 models there. One is DIY and the other is done for you. So DFY, done for you. So the one's $27, the other's $200. We pay commissions on that as well, direct commissions. So $10 on the DIY, $100 on the done for you. And obviously that person as well will end up becoming a bot user. So it unlocks the 10% on sales 5 levels deep too. So you can refer companies and earn deep from people who are promoting companies that you're not even part of, and you can benefit through their team. So we're paying you to help expand the Botsii marketplace. And anybody, just to be clear, anybody actively promoting a company can add a company into the marketplace. You could have just joined that company, for example, as long as you're actively promoting it, you can add that company into the marketplace. So it's not reserved for people that have been with that company for 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years. Anybody can add it in. Once that slot is taken for that company, then it's taken in the and it goes to the person that set up the company first. So, so we want to support anybody here who sees the value and wants to take action. And like I said, you can get started here for just $27 to set up a new company. We'll give you access to training. You'll get access to me as well, so I'll help you with that whole process. But we'll give you access to training, a course where you can follow the steps and get that company set up. We also give you a sales page to it as well, so you get your own referral link to this. So this is one of the 3 links that you get access to as part of the whole system. And this is all integrated into your bot when you get the dollar deal. So people can buy through your link as well. So people can buy through your link, and now you can benefit from their success, because if you help add somebody into the marketplace, they're going to be in your team within Botsii. And as they then grow their team through Botsii, you're going to benefit. So this is benefit number 7. You can earn from other people's networks. Okay, OPN, I like to call it, other people's networks. So it's not just their your direct sales, but their sales too as they grow their team. And you can also benefit from organic traffic through Botsii.com. So we have random people that come to Botsii.com and they're unaffiliated to anybody. And although our pricing is double what you can get them through our network, people come along and do buy through our website. So you can benefit from that because those links in the marketplace are all affiliate links. So this is it. This is the career pathway. Just want to kind of show you that again as part of finishing up that side of things. The ambassador side, all that's just really for another day. It's all about getting started here. And this is why I refer to this as the ultimate Botsii funnel, because people can get started for free, but at the other end of the spectrum, you can make $100 referrals when it adds a new company, but then you can use this to prospect for your existing business as well. It's a huge spin-off just from using a tool. So let's take you through so you can see how this funnel works. And it's all aligned to everything else I've shared with you. I'm just showing this in a different way. So a funnel always has more people coming to the top and it kind of reduces as you go down. So it starts with the swipe files. So I've shown you the swipe files. That's the entry point into the funnel. People can get those from you for free or from anybody for free. Then we've got the dollar deal. So that's the $7 deal, where that's really where affiliates are born. Once you've got that dollar deal, it unlocks the whole compensation plan, affiliate plan. Then you have the Botsii bot, and they can activate that, and that's when they're now automating the follow-up. And then if the company's not listed or they want to create a team one, then you can do that for just $27. I used to charge anything from $5,000 upwards to add companies into Botsii, and it used to take 3 or 4 months to develop. Now you can do it in a week for $27. Then we have ambassadors. They will earn a share of Botsii revenue. And we have master distributors. These are people who are the people that have added a company into the marketplace. So you kind of get that kind of exclusive position there. Just sharing with you some feedback from Wade. He said plenty of value indeed. Just so you know, the bot assigned 5 people for me, and all I did was send it. No questions asked. That just shows for me how powerful the system is. And he said there, the time saved allowed me to message back the people that did have extra questions. So blessed. And that really epitomizes how Botsii can help you. Helps do the heavy lifting, automates the process for those people that can make a decision based upon all the information we've organized inside the bot. And then that gives you extra time to help those people that might have extra questions and might need a bit more help. And we got loads of feedback like that. Hundreds of stories like this from people who have used the bot over the years. We've been doing this now for 6 years and had lots of people come in, get success from it, using it. And now the system is taken on a completely another level from when we first started doing this. We used to have just one bot, one system. Now you've got a whole funnel that you can tap into. But I've got loads of stories like this. So this is about turning passive users into active members and ultimately into fully fledged builders within your team. And anybody can get started with option 1. It's at $7. It's a complete no-brainer, and that unlocks instant value into their network. Then option 2 is about using the coupon, and getting $100 off the Botsii bot, which you'll then activate for a company in the marketplace. Remember, this expires. Oops, didn't update that one. This is the code. It expires in 48 hours. So A06726 is the code. That code's expired already, so I'll skip past that. But that's option two. And then option three is to then upgrade to the Infinity Bot deal for the extra 250 that I talked about. So that's literally it. That's everything I want to share with you. That's the presentation, the slides, and the whole system. You want to really get back to whoever invited you, and they'll be able to share with you a link, either to just come straight in and buy the Botsii bot and use that coupon code whilst that's valid, or to come in and get the $7 deal. And also, if you want to get access to swipe files, you can do that too from anybody that's already inside the business. So really get back to whoever invited you, and they can help you get started with whatever option you've got. And obviously, if you want to add a new company into the business, then you can do that too, and you'll get access to me, and I'll help you through that whole process. I'll guide you through it, regardless of whether you have the DIY or the done for you. Obviously, with the done for you, I pick up everything, and you just dump everything over to me, and I set it all up for you. With the DIY, then you're kind of jumping through those hoops, so to speak, and I just give you access to the training that allows you to do that. So can't wait to help you get started. Thank you so much. I'm going to press the stop button on the recording. If you've got any questions, then be great to answer them. And that's fantastic. Thank you.